everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are starting the topic that is from fibers to wool. Firstly we will read this. So for obtaining wool, sheep are reared. Their hair is cut and processed into wool. Let us learn about this process. Rearing and breeding of sheep. If you travel to the hills in Jammu and Kashmir, Himachal Pradesh, Uttaranchal, Arunachal Pradesh and Sikkim, or the plains of Haryana, Punjab, Rajasthan, and Gujarat, you can see shepherds taking their herds of sheep for grazing. Sheep are herbivores and prefer grass and leaves. Apart from grazing sheep, rearers also feed them on a mixture of pulses, corn, jawar, oil cakes, that material left after taking out oil from seeds, and minerals in winter. Sheep are kept indoors and fed on leaves, grain, and dry fodder. So, in this topic we are studying that for obtaining wool, sheep are reared, that is their hair is cut and processed into wool, and then we have to uh, discuss the topic that is rearing and breeding of sheep. So when we travel to hills in Jammu and Kashmir, or you can say Himachal Pradesh, or Uttaranchal, Arunachal and Sikkim, or the plains of Haryana, then Punjab, Rajasthan, and Gujarat, then we can see shepherds taking their herds of sheep for grazing, and then these sheep are herbivores, means they eat grass and leaves. And then apart from grazing sheep, they also feed them the mixture of pulses, corn, jawar, oil cakes, and minerals. Then in winter, sheep are kept indoors and fed on leaves, grain, and dry fodder. Are reared in many parts of our country for wool. Table 3.1 gives the names of some breeds of sheep reared in our country for producing wool. The quality and texture of the fibers obtained from them is also indicated in the table. Certain breeds of sheep have thick coat of hair on their body which yields good quality wool in large quantities. So in this para we are going to know that sheep are reared in many parts of our country, and table 3.1 gives the names of some breeds of sheep reared in our country for producing wool. So the quality and texture of the fibers obtained from them is also indicated in the table, and then certain breeds of sheep have thick coat of hair on the body which yields good quality wool in large quantities. As mentioned earlier, these sheep are selectively bred, with one parent being a sheep of good breed. Once the reared sheep have developed a thick growth of hair, hair is shaved off for getting wool. So, the sheep that are selectively bred from one parent being of good breed. So, when the reared sheep have developed thick growth of hair, then their hair will be shaved off for wool that we get from market. So now that's it for this para. Now we are going to start a new topic in the next video.